In today's video I am going to show you how you can use the login endpoint in ReddAPI, the unofficial Reddit API by SeasonedCode, so let's go. First, there are some things to consider. The login endpoint takes some payloads in JSON format. The payloads are username, password, user agent, proxy, as well as some necessary headers like you see. You can get your ReddAPI API key from the link in the description. Those headers should be in every request you send. Click on the link in the description, and you will be redirected to a page like this. Click on pricing. And there is a free basic plan you can use to try the first 100 requests for free. Now, let's try to send our request and see what we will get. As you see, we got a JSON response from ReddAPI. The response has two keys, cookies and token_v2. The token_v2 is important, and we are going to save it to be able to send it with other requests as the bearer, to be able to interact with Reddit data. That is it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to visit our website at reddapi.online for more information. And hit the like button.